Konkona, Jaideep has directed a wonderful series for us before, but you're donning the director's hat for a Prime Video series for the first time. Can you tell us more about this comedy drama? Firstly, why are you so good at everything you do? I just have to add that on my own. Like, why? Is there anything Konkona Sen Sharma can't do?
Stop it, Karan. Let's see how this one turns out. Luckily, I have all these other people, so they've done all the work.
Lies, na? Lies. Ek to this cast, these two. This gorgeous beauty who's a stunning actor and this genius of an artist. Yay. Like this genius. I was just telling you how much I loved him on a show that I can't talk about on this platform. But I have to say it anyway. I can't even tell you about a film that, I can't say anything. Requesting everyone now to please stay and do a photo for us. Please, Nikhil, of course, join them for a picture. I'm going to step aside. Yeah. Ali, the teaser looks incredibly, incredibly intense. How did you prepare yourself to bring that level of intensity to your character?
Oh, it's... hi, everyone. It's him. He's the man, him, and the lady.
It's them.
These three people have directed me into looking something like that. I think I've never played a cop before. And we went period. So it was very, very interesting costumes, very interesting timeline to be part of. And yeah, we tried to pull something. But thoda naya hai.
Looks absolutely incredible. Congratulations.
Thank you.
Sonali, I have a question for you. We are big fans, always looking forward to seeing you on screen.
Thank you.
I just wanted to ask you what made Raag special and made you say yes to it. Please.
Nikhil, you're one of the first persons I need to thank for that. Thank you for thinking of me for this role. But good evening, everybody. It's lovely to be here. And I haven't seen this teaser yet. So the story is that I get this call. Nikhil says that I think you should hear this. I'm like, are you sure it's a smaller role, as in the sense it's an interesting role, it's an ensemble cast, what is happening? And then I meet these two lovely writers, Anusha and Sandeep. And with them come this amazing director, Prasit. They sit there and narrate this story to me. And you know what? Even if I had to stand in the background, I would have said yes. That is what it was. That's what it took.
Well, kudos to the entire team, and we'd love for all of you to give us a photo opportunity. Thank you.
I also I want to thank Rishi and Sunanda for having their support through this entire journey. It really, really would not have been possible.
Yes,
so thank you for
I
that.
totally second that. It was a wonderful production. It was an intense role to play, but the production made it very easy. So Sunanda, Rishi, thank you so much for making it easy for us. Thank you.
I mean, the stories are completely different. And this one, Matka King, is set in the 60s about a man who found a loophole in the system, and he found an enterprise and ran with it and made a massive empire and accumulated a lot of fortune, not just for himself, for his entire family. So it's a very relevant piece of history that we've forgotten. And I feel like to be able to tell this story with this incredible team and my dream director, Nagaraj Manjule, is an honor that I've been waiting for.
Lovely. Also wanted to ask you, both of you are such talented actresses. Can you tell us about some experiences from the shoot that really stood out for you?
Go, Sai. Oh. I think working with such fantastic team, the actors, the production house, everybody, it was a feeling of full Sangam, and that full Sangam feeling has stayed with me. Honestly, I'd like to make one confession. I've also said yes to this so that I can meet Vidya ji someday. Vidya ma'am, I'm really a huge fan. But it was a great experience, and I'm really looking forward to this one.
Well, before we proceed, I'd love to invite on stage Sahira Nair, head of Hindi scripted series, Prime Video India, on stage for a photo with the team on stage. Nikhil, of course, has to be there. Welcome on stage, Sahira.
Kritika, some moment from...
These 70s going into 80s, my favorite period for its fashion, for the films, for music. So just to be a part of this world that we created, and the team created it so beautifully, was absolutely amazing.
Super.
Second, please. किसकी हिम्मत मुझसे कुछ नहीं पूछा मटका किंग सीरीज देखिए पता चलेगा कौन है
Prolific words.
Such a pleasure and delight being part of this superbly talented team. Amazing director, producer Siddharth Rai Kapoor, Amazon, together, and extremely, extremely talented actors. I've had fantastic time doing this series, and I'm very sure आप सबको भी ये सीरीज देखकर मजा आएगा और ये कंफ्यूजन भी क्लियर होगा मटका किंग है कौन.